What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we're going to be talking about NEO, the delivery numbers, they're out, and we're just going to break everything down. So before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server, link in the description below. If you need help during market open, whenever it may be, jump in here, at me, or DM me. I'm always here to help you guys out. Let's get right into the video and let's talk about what NEO did. So first, let's get this out of the way. NEO delivered 7,225 vehicles in January of 2021, a new monthly record representing a strong 352% year-over-year growth, right? So basically, they just hit another record month. They keep doing this month after month after month. This is exciting to see for long-term investors, especially because they keep making these record months. Now, yes, I know, looking from a technical standpoint and what it did today, I know it was disappointing, right? I know that it fell down today. You know, we were only down a penny, but it was a roller coaster day. I know that, and this is something to show you guys that no matter if a stock has good news, bad news, whatever way, it really doesn't matter. How it reacts really does not matter. It's always up in the air, but we know one thing. What caused this reaction? Sellers. So we know that sellers were here, and that caused it to push down, right? That's what we know. So then from there, we have to take that information and then analyze it like we're about to do right now, and that's how we read these technical levels. So let's talk about the story. Let's talk about what happened today. So right when we opened up really strong. We opened up at $59. So we were heading on the bullish side, right? The numbers came out. People were like, oh, wow, this is amazing. We're going up. And then what happened? They dropped it right on you. They dropped it on everyone. It was a huge surprise. I know a lot of you were watching this. You are probably disappointed. But keep in mind, if you're in this for the long term, don't really worry about what's happening today. Yes, it was disappointing to watch, but still, what happened? It held our key level at $57. Now, it's barely onto that level, right? But it is holding that level, so that is important. So let's talk about what happened on this week. We pushed up, we already mentioned that, we came screaming down. Now we did hit lows of 54.32. We really got down there and we almost touched this top of this second layer right here at 52.77. So we almost hit the pullback that I've been talking about and saying that if we were unable to stay above $57 and close above it, then we're heading back down to here. But we did stay above it and we closed right at it, but I would still be cautious. So tomorrow, what's the game plan? What needs to happen in order for us to kick it back into gear and for us to be bullish for right now? Well, the scenario still goes, we need to get above $57. So staying above and getting above $57 is crucial. If we're unable to do that tomorrow and we close above that tomorrow, then yes, I'm probably guessing that we'll head back down to this 52.77 mark. But right now we're not doing that, so we're not going to focus on that, but we still need to keep that in the back of our head. So $57. Getting above that and holding above that is bullish. Now, once we get above that and hold above it, our next level is $59. Now, I've talked about this level many times in my videos before, so if you've been following me, you know that I've mentioned this number very many times before, and there's a reason why. Because we got rejected several times before, and what happened today? We got rejection today, so we know that this level is confirmed where there are sellers. So when we push up tomorrow, if tomorrow is bullish, $59 is an area you need to look at. $59 has caused us a lot of trouble before. We got rejected today, so we know going into tomorrow's session, if we're going to be bullish, we need to get above that. Now, we can do several type of things when we push out to $59. We can either consolidate around it. We can consolidate, just gear up, or we can blast right through it. And ideally, if you're bullish on NEO, that's what you want to see. You want to see us blast through it. Either way, either if we consolidate and blast through, or we just go right through, that's what you want to see. So heading into tomorrow's session, two numbers you need to keep in your mind. The only two numbers you need to focus on is $59 and $57. If we're holding $57, great, we're on to a great start, but really getting above that $59 mark is the goal for tomorrow. So overall, NEO still looks strong. This news about the deliveries is super bullish. This is long-term growth for this company. Month after month, they keep smashing these goals. They keep delivering record numbers. So yes, for the long term, don't worry. NEO is going to do fine. This was just a dip, and think of it as an opportunity to load up. Now, if we do get below $57 tomorrow and we hold above it, I would wait. I would add on and wait to that $52 range. $52.77, good opportunity to add on to. I'm not saying we get to that tomorrow, but we've been on this slow bleed off where it is possible that we get to this tomorrow. So let me know in the comments below, Are you holding Neo through this? Are you happy to see these record delivery amounts? Did this excite you? And what do you think the company is going to do in the future? What's your personal price target? Where are you looking to sell? How many years down the road are you looking to sell? Overall, like what it's doing, we're still in this strong uptrend tack, right? So notice we push up, kind of pull back, consolidate, push up, pull back, consolidation. So are we gearing up for another move up? I think we are, guys. I think Neo is gearing up for another move, kind of like we did over here. We got carried away with ourselves, like we did right here. We pulled back for a little while, a couple of weeks, even a month, and then we just geared up again. So I think that's coming for Neo. So be on the lookout for that. Either way, thank you for being here, guys. I truly appreciate all the support that y'all been giving me. Either way, I will see you all in the next video.